Hi guys, welcome back. Newly surfaced images may have revealed the internal design of the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max just weeks ahead of its official announcement. The images were shared by the account Yux1122 on the Korean platform Naver. While the account often reposts Apple rumors and leaks, it is unlikely to be the original source, and the authenticity of the images remains uncertain. These are not expected to be official Apple CAD files, but they could still provide an accurate review of the device. Now, talking about the metal covered battery, the standout detail in the leak is the presence of a metal covered battery, something that has already been rumored. According to the images, Apple plans to use two different battery designs: an L-shaped version for models that retain a physical SIM tray, a more rectangular version for eSIM-only models such as those sold in the US. The metal covering is designed to improve heat dissipation. Apple introduced a similar battery in the iPhone 16 Pro, but the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, and the 16 Pro Max batteries still use black foil covers. Now, I would like to highlight the easier battery removal functionality. Another leak, Margin Blue, has suggested that the iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max batteries will be removable using the same adhesive and low voltage electrical current method, like with a 9-way battery that debuted in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Now, talking about the larger camera bump and other details, the leaked images also show the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a noticeably larger camera bump, consistent with previous rumors. In addition, the MagSafe system and charging port are visible, though these remain unchanged in design from current models. While the images don't reveal anything entirely new, they do reinforce key expectations: improved thermal management, easier repairability, and a bigger camera system for Apple's next flagship iPhone. Now, talking about the launch timing, Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in September, with the event likely less than a month away. Now, share your thoughts about these leaked images, and I'll catch you up in the next one.